Hey everybody, this is Cassie from Helpertech Burnsville, and I just wanted to talk to you today about getting iPhone 10 screen repairs. This is something that we can do both at our Helpertech Burnsville store and our Helpertech Eagan store, which is now servicing the Mendota Heights area off of Highway 35E and Cliff Road. We've got two options for these phones. We can either do the repair in about 15 minutes for $217. Otherwise, I can do the repair in an hour for $197. Both options do also come with $20 worth of store credit towards any accessories or products that we sell. Now, this will fix any kind of cracking in the glass, any touch problems that you're having with it, and any picture issues from the fall. So bring it in. You don't need an appointment. You can just stop in any time. We're open 8 to 6 during the week and Saturday 10 to 3. Otherwise, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice day.